So hello everyone, my name is Viraj Nosare. So I am today explaining the topic name is real world application of machine learning. So let's start with the introduction part. So let's start with the why part. What is the machine learning applications? And what is the machine learning? To enhance the decision making, that ML analyzes massive data sets faster and more accurately than humans. So and increase efficiency and productivity also. It automates and repetitive and time consuming tasks like supply chains and resource management, and it is very important in every task management systems. So it is a personalized customer experience also too, and in ML trailer services product to individual preferences. Example is Netflix recommendation, YouTube recommendation, and also we can use in movie recommendation too. And also then enable predictive maintenance that reduces downtime and maintenance cost in industries like aviation, manufacturing, and logistics, and more than the bigger industries too. So it also helps in the cyber security and improves the fraud detection. In that ML identifies suspicious patterns in financial transactions too, and protects the business confidential things and customer against cybercrime and fraud. So let's begin with the what part. So the what is the machine learning? Is a subset of artificial intelligence, what that allows that systems learn from the data and improve performance without being explicitly programmed. So I have mentioned some major applications of the ML models, like healthcare, finance, retail, and also entertainment and agriculture. And I also mentioned the cyber security. So what the healthcare does in the ML? So that is disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and medical imaging like x-rays and MRIs that we know already. In finance, that fraud detections, credit scoring, algorithm trading. And in the retail and e-commerce sites, like personalized product recommendations, dynamic pricing, customer sentiment analysis. In transportation, like self-driving cars, route optimization, predictive maintenance. And also we know that nowadays the map are also been very optimized, and why it is optimized, that the ML model is trained very nicely, so it is optimized very good. So also the one part is entertainment, like movie song recommendations, and like I have mentioned in the previous slide, like Netflix and movies, Spotify, content moderations. In agriculture, crop disease detection, yield prediction, precision, and farming. And you also in the cyber security, like intrusion detection, filtering detection, fraud detection, and also the SQL injection. So in this slide we will see that how the ML model will be trained properly. So in this flowchart diagram we will see the first is that the gathering of data. So gathering of data means also we can say that the data collection, that we should collect structured and unstructured data from sensors, apps, and transactions, and various many websites. And the second step, data preparation, we can also say that it is a data pre-processing. So in that we should clean the data, normalize data, and we have to label the data properly to identify the data type. And the third thing is the data wrangling. It is also known as model building, like selecting which algorithm should be used, like a decision tree, neural network, SVM, which algorithm should we use. And then is the analyze data to train the data. Like we should check that it is the historical data, or we should train the data with the patterns or any more things. And the fifth step is to train the model, like train the model with a very precision, like evaluate with its accuracy and using the test data sets. Then it is a test model to apply various types, and where it is accurate, and give the scores of the accuracy to the model. And the last and the final step is deployment, that to apply in the real world apps like chatbots, fraud detection, and recommendation systems. And we can also use the repeated process to continuous learning to improve the model accuracy, and to new data is added. So that there are many examples at Netflix. I have tell that to collect users watch history of the previous watch history, what movie has been watched by him, and it process it to identify the patterns and train the model. Like the recommendation model should be trained, that if next time the movie should be suggested, it should be improvised and it should be good for the user, and it should suggest a personalized show or movie. So in this slide we will see the challenges, limitation, and what should we not do. So in the diagram of ML limitations, the first point is ethical concerns. What the ethical concern does, that risk of biases, privacy issues, and unfair decisions. And deterministic problems like struggles with uncertainty and unexpected scenarios. And the third point is lack of data, like model fails without insufficient data or high quality training data. And the lack of interpretability, it is like complex model acts as black boxes, hard to explain to the users, and so and the model too. And the last point is a lack of reproducibility. In this, that the same model may give different results on different runs due to randomness or environmental changes. So let us summarize the applications of the machine learning. So what is machine learning is transform industries by allowing smarter data-driven decisions. Like in the applications, ma'am, multiple domains like healthcare, finance, retail, transport, cybersecurity, entertainment, agriculture, etc. The workflow involves data collection, pre-processing, training, deployment, and continuous learning with the datasets too. And the limitation include bias, cost, privacy risk, and lack of transparency. In the future, we should like explainable AI, that XAI interaction with IoT and ethical AI adoption will make ML even more powerful and trustworthy for the future uses. And the real world examples that are very daily uses like healthcare, combining patient records structured with X-rays and MRI scans, like unstructured data. ML helps accurate diagnosis, early detection of diseases, and further personalized treatment plans. And thank you.